YouTube gang, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. And today we are talking about smart home tech. I've been a big fan of smart home devices for the past few years now, and nothing brings all of this together like a smart home device, such as the Echo Show 5. Now, I purchased an original Echo Show 5 about 6 or 7 months ago, and I just picked up another one. I wanted to go ahead and up my game inside of my studio, so I went ahead and I purchased one for my studio. So that's the one we're going to be taking a look at. Let's do it. Around the box, they tell you some of the things that the Echo Show 5 has to offer, which is pretty much the same as all other Echo devices. But really quickly, you have the Alexa, you have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi capability, you have audio line out. What's really cool about this device is it has a 1 megapixel camera on the front, and it also comes with a shutter. So this way, if you're really concerned about your privacy, you can go ahead and slide the shutter closed, and that way you won't have to worry about anybody spying on you. What's so cool about this device is you can call using apps such as Skype, or if anybody who has an Echo Show, you can do a drop-in. We're going to show you guys all that stuff in just a minute. A few of the big skills that Alexa can do are Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Audible, Prime Video, Hue, Skype, SmartThings, Jeopardy, and it's so much more. Amazon continues to add additional skills like every day. There's always something new to try. Opening up the box, what you will find is the device itself. Looking at the top of the device, you have the mic on and off, you have the volume down, the volume up, and then you have the camera shutter, which will enable the camera from being used. On the back of the device, you have a power port, a micro USB port, then you have your 3.5 millimeter audio out. You will also get the Echo Show 5 quick starter guide, which will help you get started connecting your new device. And then they give you another pamphlet that says things to try. Also, you will get your power cable. All right, so this is what it looks like coming out of the box. I have mine muted right now, so that way it doesn't go off and try to talk to us. In my bedroom, I have this adjustable stand. This is an additional 20 bucks for it, but it magnetizes to the back. On the bottom of your Echo Show 5, you have a rubberized surface, so this way it will prevent this from sliding while playing music. With the additional adjustment stand, it has a shape to it and it magnetizes to your device, and it will allow you to get up to about 45-degree angle. I don't really think that this is necessary, but for the one in my bedroom, I went ahead and got the stand because I like to be able to just lean it up just a little bit since my nightstand sits lower than my bed. You can view the information on the device at all viewing angles. You obviously can do simple things as far as playing music. I think that this speaker is actually really loud, especially for somewhere like a kitchen, a bedroom. I think that this will give you enough power to enjoy some music. It's not going to be the greatest quality in the world. I love to listen to podcasts here at my desk, and this will enable me to be able to enjoy that without having to go into my computer to listen to a podcast from there. This has a few different customizable clock faces. You can also connect pictures that you will have to upload to Amazon Photos. With these, you can do drop-ins. I will show you guys an example of this dropping in on my bedroom's Echo Show 5. Now, another really cool thing about this is the WikiHow videos. So you can say things like, show me steak recipes.
Okay, for steak, here's a few recipes.
So on this device, you have a few different ways that you can swipe. You get downward swipe, which is going to show you a home screen. So no matter where you are on your device, you can swipe down, go home. You can adjust your brightness. You can set it to do not disturb, and then you have your settings. If you scroll over here, this is where your smart home information lives. Click on communication, and you can see how you can do the drop-in, the announce, you can call people, you can message. In order for you to message people from your device or call, you will have to add them to your contact list inside the device. So you have your smart home, and inside here I have the ability to see all of my smart home devices. So for instance, this one right here says Hector. That's gonna be this lamp behind me, and I could just tap right on the screen and it's gonna turn Hector off. If I tap right here, it's gonna turn Hector back on. Now, one thing I don't like about this is you can adjust the brightness right here, but there's no way for you to change the color directly on this device. You can either tell the device to change the color to whatever color you want, but you can't click on here in order to change the color. Now, I don't really like that, because if you open up your app for this device, you can change the color right from there. You have music. This defaults to Amazon Music. If you go inside your app on your phone, you can prefer to use Spotify as your main device. So that way you don't have to specify which account. So then you have video, and obviously this is gonna prefer you to use Prime Video, but you can actually watch a full Prime movie right here on your device. And the only other apps that this comes with so far that I know of is gonna be Tubi and NBC, Food Kitchen, and Red Bull. Why does this not have a dedicated YouTube app? I do not know. Why does this not have a Netflix app? I do not know. But I think that they should add that, because it doesn't make sense. You can actually use YouTube on this device. You can now say things like, show me workout videos on YouTube.
Searching YouTube.
But this is from a web browser, so I don't understand why they just won't give you a dedicated app for that. But just so you can see, you can full screen this. Another cool thing that I just figured out, if you whisper to Alexa, she will whisper back. What time is it in Spain?
In Spain, it's 8:42 p.m.
That's pretty cool. I do love this for a bedroom alarm clock. So they have a feature built in here where it will give a sunrise effect, and what this will do is it will slowly brighten up the screen within 15 minutes of your alarm going off, and it's supposed to just wake you up more pleasantly instead of just abrupt. I think it's a very dope device for the price point. I think it's perfect. So my first con is the processor is a little slow inside of this device. When I go to swipe to go to my smart home devices and I want to just turn them off with the click of a button, it takes a little bit of extra time to do so, and I can actually do it faster by just speaking to the device to do it. Another con for me is going to be there is no dedicated YouTube app, no dedicated Netflix app. Those, like, I don't understand why they don't have that. We need some more apps that you can use, maybe like WhatsApp app, FaceTime. So another con with this device is some things they won't allow you to do it directly from the interface. It's gonna tell you to open up your app. And I don't understand that, because it's already a screen right here. Why do I have to open up the app on my phone to do things? For my pros is going to be the sound quality of this. It's going to give you enough sound inside of like your kitchen, a bedroom. You're going to be pleased with this. The sound quality is not that great, and it's what's to be expected from this little tiny device, but I think it does a great job. So you have the 5.5 screen. When you ask questions, if it has things to show you, it shows you what's going on versus just speaking. If you want to know how to make something, and if they have the WikiHow video to it, they'll show you the video instead of just telling you. I think that this is the perfect size. This is going to be the same size screen as like an iPhone 11, so they're pretty much comparable in screen size. And I mean, let's be honest, most of us probably watch most of our content right from the screen of our phone. I think that this will be perfect for a kitchen, so that way if you want to look at recipes, you want to watch a little movie while you're cooking, I think this is the perfect device. It's very sleek and small. This is the perfect alarm clock. That's what I've been using it for the past 5 months or so, and it's so much more, but I just want to give you guys like a first look at this and tell you guys the things that I enjoy about this device. If you are interested in checking out the Echo Show 5, let me know down in the comment section If you have any questions, I really love this device. I think it's worth the money. I think they brought it down to the right price, around $70, which is perfect for everything that you're gonna get with it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope that you learned something. If you did, don't forget to slap that thumbs up button. But with all that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will catch you guys next week in my next video. Deuces. So that way you don't always have to say play music from Alexa, stop.